Okay. Hi, good morning all. Once you open SAP HANA Studio, go to BW modeling perspective. Try to log in BW server. Okay. Now we'll see. See here, so in the old version, we having different options. Database table, file, and third-party tools. In BW4 HANA, we having only two options, database table and file. So let me create database table and create it. So based on this structure, we are getting the open up destination. So we'll discuss about DTP also while we are loading data. Now you can see this is the database table properties. Our open up destination name is this one, and you can see here our open up destination name. It is add slash BAC slash OH. Okay, and here write mode is delete data and insert data. Every time it will delete the data and it will insert. Okay, and now you can see. So you can see all the fields. If you want to add info object, if you want to add fields, if you want to remove, if you want to up and down, you can do it. Okay. If you select this one, you can do up, or else you can do down as per your wish. Just activate it. Okay, now where we can see this table, where you can see the table, just go to login this table. So we need to log in SAP log. Once you log in SAP, here go to S11, there we can see it. Select our server, go to SC11 or SC16. Okay, this is where you can see it. See here, this is the open hub, whichever we create. So we didn't load the data, so you won't get records. We just trying to create open hub, but we didn't load it. Still zero records, okay? Now we just created, okay? We just created, activated. So I'm trying to create, so I will keep into like no one data flow level. So I will drag and drop. I will drag and drop. Okay. Okay. And I'm trying to do it. Okay. Now you can create transformation. Okay. Just finish it. And now just see all the transformations automatically map it one to one. Direct assignment. All are direct assignment one to one map. Now you can create this one and you can see the data. Just activate it. So here I'll show you multiple options, okay, in the DTP level, whatever we discussed. You can see RSDS means this is data source. What is the source? This is the source. Source means this one. Source means this one. 2LS underscore. From which system it is coming? This system. What is the target? This is the target. Dest means destination. Open hub destination. Okay. So while seeing the description of DTP, you will come to know from where to where you are loading. Easily we can identify. I can identify from myself and you have to identify it. Okay. RSDS means data source. DS means data source. If it is a DSO, then you can see DSO. If it is the ADSO, you can see ADSO. Okay. Like this you can identify. Here if we are loading to ADSO, you can see ADSO. If you are loading to open up destination, you can see destination. So like this, we can see all the symbols as well. Okay, now I will execute it. Now I will execute it. So execute. Okay, I will copy this one. Okay, now you can see how many records are there? 585. Just now we loaded. That is where we can see the data. Okay, so execute. Now we can see data into the Open Hub destination table. So now your requirement is you need to put the filter in the DTP level. How do you put it? So here you can go to the filter. Okay, you can go to the filter like expression. You can go to the expression tab. So if you want to put filter, you can go to see here. This is filter option only. We having 10 fields, but we didn't maintain any filter. Go to select here, or else you can select directly here, and you can restrict, remove filter, and this is if you want to maintain, if you want to create any routine, then you can write it. Okay, then select this one, and you can see now what is the value. I want to load only 1710. Okay, 1710. Okay, just to do add. Okay, I don't see any values for this particular glucose, but I can see I know the value, company code 1710, daily we are loading. So I given direct input and add it. Okay. And do you want to load or do you want to exclude? Here you need to be very clear in your requirement. You want to load or you want to exclude. If you want to exclude, okay, I'm going to exclude 1710. Okay, if you want to include, so by default it will be include. Okay, you can see these options and all. If you want to include, or if you don't want to do exclude, or you can see all these options between all these options as well. See now, activate it. So this is how you can put the filter and DTP as well, where you can put the extraction. And you are comfortable with this screen, or else you can go to here as well. BW screen. Here we have a screen. I'm going to BW screen. Okay. Okay. Here. See, we have now 585. Once I execute the DTP, so the data will be deleting. You know, right? RSDTP. 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 If you want to execute the DTP, see here and execute. So now you can see text session, update and execute. We put the filter in HANA, BW, SAP HANA Studio screen. And now you can see here filter as well. You can see here filter. Where? Where is our filter? I don't see here. Okay, let it be. And then execute it. I can see the filter, but I don't see here. We'll see. Execute it, we'll see. And go to execute. This is very important, I'm telling you. See here, how many records once you execute DTP? So I can see zero records. I can see zero records inserted. Request template, you can see here selections. What you put here, D and X. So we didn't put it, okay. These are like, no, by default it is taking delta. So we don't have any delta records. So that is the why it is not updating anything. Let me do it full, okay. See, this is delta. It is treating like delta. We already loaded one time. It is treating like delta. So you can see here also you can see, yeah, observe very carefully. This is source and this is target. Okay, this is your transformation description. This is your transformation technical name. And this is your DTP technical name. DTP technical name. This is description of DTP. Okay, we who loaded this? I only loaded by using this user. Data packet size and see if we have any errors, I can't see it. Okay, here, see here, zero records updated. This is what ran it. Okay, here you can see, go and see here, zero records updated. So like this, you can monitor it. Okay, after getting job also, once you execute the DTP, okay, you can go to header tab and details tab. Okay, maybe you execute the DTP. I will tell you go to header tab. Okay, go to header tab and you can see all the details. Okay, here in the details level, you can expand the package always. Always expand the package. How many records are updated, how many records are not updated, that you can see it, okay, clearly. Okay, now we will see here. And now let me do it, okay, close, close. And I will try to create one more, create DTP. Create DTP. So I will create with the full. So we cannot create two delta DTPs. Remember this point. So we cannot create DTPs for delta 2 or 3. Only one it is possible. System won't allow you. System won't allow you. If you want to create also, it won't allow you. Okay. Let me run this one. So execute, activate the DTP, and now I will try to execute. Okay, now we have filtered this one and execute. Always open hub in the real time also full update would be there. Always. Okay, so I will copy this one and we will see monitor there. This is full one. Okay. Go back and execute. So now you can see here We have a filter and you can see last request. Say I executed there and if you want to monitor it, you can see here. See now it is full. Okay, DTP name is different. Now you can see 192 only. Earlier we having 560 something, 560, 540 something records we can see. Oh, why? Because see here, what is the exception? You can see. What is the exclude? E means exclude. Always remember this option. E means exclude. I means include. Okay. Now you can see here. Where? Here. How many records are there? See, 192. How many records are there here? Here also 192. What is happening? Did you understand? Did you understand this option? Did you understand this option? Delete data and insert data sets. Every time it will delete the data and it is inserting. Last time we having 560. Now I loaded 190. So 560 deleted. Now it is inserted 192. And this is the bookers. Okay, we kept the filter and the DTP level. So now you can see here. Always in the real time. Okay, very, very important. I'm saying that go to selections. If data is not coming very low, data is coming low, and you can go to selections, you can check it. This is the filter. By default, it is coming, and this is the filter. This is like replication mode is F, means full update. Okay. You can see same source, same target only. Now, I just want to do it back. Okay, go to here and change also. And go here. Is it possible to change it? See here, what it is giving message to you. You can no longer use the selection and fill bookers in the source. That means you cannot able to do any changes for the bookers. We have a company code, this one, but you cannot able to do changes in this level. Okay, you go there and you can do the changes. You can do the changes over there. Where? In HANA Studio itself. It is not possible to do any changes here. Only you can do modify. Only you can do edit and you can do some changes. Like if you want to create, update or valid records. Like if you want to create error DTP. See here, this is the way we can create. Till now I don't have any error DTP. I can create error DTP. Once I create error DTP, it will see we can see the error stack here. See, let me create error DTP. Now, see here, what is this? What is this error DTP? Now it is, now I am in error DTP and it is always full. So it is always full. There is no delta for error DTP. Remember this point and change and activate it. Okay. So once I go back, now you can see here display. Earlier the option is create error DTP. Now I can able to see display error DTP. That means already you created. If you click, then we will go to error DTP. No need to create it again. Okay. Once you create, and then I can see no error stack also will come. And let me execute again. Now this time, just execute. Same records only will come. Okay. Now you can see. Okay. One more thing we need to change it. Remember this error handling option. Remember this option, error handling option also we need to change. Because where it will store. If you select this option and activate it, then you can see error detect. Okay. If it is, see here, here we can see manage source. Basically, if it is fails, then it will go and switch into the here. Why this time it is not bring data? Full only, right? Now it is updated. Now it is updated 192 records. Okay. Now, basically here, when it is fails, then it will show the error stack. So basically it will show the error stack here. Once you select this up. Go back, we'll see here. And go here and select this option. And you can read this as well. Any errors? See here, error stack here. If you have basically like in the older version, data will go and sit into the error stack level. Now in the BW4HANA, it will go and sit into the DDIC. Okay, DDIC. Now what I want to do it. So okay. Now here I'll go DTP. I don't want to exclude the data. I want to load only 1710 this time. This time I want to load only 1710. See here, what I am facing issue, DTP is locked by this user. In this case, what you do, go here, okay, /o SM tool, okay, /o SM tool. Give the username, search it, select it, okay, select all. Not real time, don't select all, only this particular username, select and delete it. Because same DTP we open in HANA Studio and also GI level. That is the way lock happen. Lock happen. Okay, now you can see it will not ask you any lock because I removed the lock. Activate it. Okay, once you execute, go back. Okay, is it full? Great. You can see full or delta. You can see here, first skin. Always I'm telling you 100% remember these options. Extraction, update, execute. In the execute, only execute option will be there. And if you want to go debug mode, and you can select debugging option. Okay, remember this option. Go to update. In the update level, we having target information. What is our target? Open hub destination. And now you can see error handling. Okay, error handling. And create error DTP. Now you can go to extraction. There we can see extraction. Is it like no? Extraction mode is full or delta. So we can see. Sorry. Now we can see restrict selection. Only retrieve last request. And if you want to select this option, we can select this option as well. In the older version, we used to do it. Okay. And now, see, directly it is coming from where? From source system it is coming, not PSL. This is the option it is. This is always it is parallel extraction. Okay. And now you can execute. Now we change the filter. Now we change the filter. And now you can see how many records it is updated. And see, earlier it is like 192 something and now 393 because we changed the filter. Earlier you can see here exclude. Sorry. Here you can see E. Instead of I, you can see E earlier. Now you can see I. I means include. E means exclude. Exclude means we are excluding the 1710. Now we are including, only we are including 1710. Are you getting me? So like this, you can put the filter in the DTP level. Okay. So you can see, right? If you want, then I can explain again. This is source. This is target. From where to where you are loading. I am loading from here to here. I am loading. Okay. This is the transformation. You can see here. This is the source. So same source here. Okay. I am loading from here to here. I am loading from there to here. And you can see this is the destination. And you can see this is the source. And this is the filter. Always the filter is like no bookers. Okay. And now you can who executed. Is it letter or full? And you can see it. These options. Very, very important this one. And you can see job also. Sometimes it is in yellow color. Yellow color means still it is running. Green color means already completed. How you can say complete? So now I refresh and it will be green. Okay. See here how many records are there. All are overall status is green. That means request is already completed. Okay, overall, see, set overall status is green. Sometimes it will be in the yellow color. That means you can go to the job overview. You can click on job overview. You can see your job as well. Okay, job is in yellow color means active. You can select particular job and you can stop it. If you want to stop the job, maybe you will receive one message from your TL and stop the job, DTP job. Select which DTP in active. Okay, select the job and stop it. It is already finished. I can't stop it. Okay. If the job is in progress, active. Okay, status is like always active or finished or cancel. Okay, once you select and if you stop it, then it will go to the cancel. Okay. Remember this option. If somebody will tell you, stop this job immediately and select one job and it is should be in active mode. So select this option. Getting me? Okay, only this option, not this one, dustbin. This is deleting the job from the system itself. Don't delete it, okay? Just stop the active job. See here? What is the option here? Stop active job. Whatever you can see here, active. Just stop active job. That means it will be cancelled. Okay. Where I go here, job overview. So if you want to delete the request, for example, here I will go here. Here I will go. Okay. So now we loaded this all the options. Okay. So deleted means this is symbol. See, removed. This is dust symbol, dustbin. Okay. And now if you delete this one, then it will go. So what we are doing it here, we selected the one option and it is going to see. So here go to show connections. What is the source for this one? See here, uh, right click and mark connected. Already it is highlighted. Let me do it, okay? Let me do it for this one more source. I will do one thing in the same data flow, in the same data flow. Okay, I will make it one more flow. Okay. How I will make it? So I will go here. Yesterday we did read master data. I will do the same thing. Okay, I will map it here. Okay, I will select this option. So which one you want here? See here, already we created an active. Okay, I am trying to do this one. Okay, what is my source? Just this is ADSO and this is open up destination. Okay, and then activate, simple activate. Okay, and you can see the rules and you can see all the rules and all fields are mapped. All fields are mapped automatically. Okay, Bookers is not there. Okay, let me select this one. Where is company code? Okay, I'm trying to do it this one. Okay.